Yeah, so it looks a bit more multi-level than I remember.
A fairy. A fairy in the rainforest.
A real life fairy.
Where are you guys from?
We're from everywhere.
Yeah. Are you staying up here?
0 degrees.
Yeah. So everyone jumps in the thermal springs out there. Very nice.
The swimming hole down here, they need a race, okay?
Yeah, there's like Emerald Creek and Davis Creek, and so there's a whole bunch of pool systems that you can get into, and there's waterfalls and
And no falls.
no fun.
So that's the only thing from me.
Yeah, but you like the ocean. There's
Salt.
yeah, there's ships
Yeah.
and sand.
Janet, this reminds me of your kind of place. Even the owner of this place looks like you, Janet.
Yeah, yeah. But insane. So like golf course, all those narrow.
Sorry?
Yeah. And they're full of water. Maybe life and enjoy it.
Just come.
The boss of this is you're the boss of it. No, it's the boss of it. You know, that it's like feeling overwhelmed. It's such
Okay, Akuma, Adam, this is your kind of place. All these things would look so cool at your pad. I especially love this here one.
And I get Michelle.
This, Jeanette, this is your twin and another friend of mine, Shara Seaver. And when you come up to Coranda, I think you're coming in a couple weeks, you have to visit her. And tell me what you think.
Hi, Janet.
Yeah.
I like the rainforest.
Because of COVID or because...
Oh, these are so cute. Okay, this is the name of the shop
Yep.
here in Coranda.
Yeah,
It's called Quantum Healings
with a Z.
with a Z.
With a Z.
With a Z. They say Z in Australia
Yes,
for you Americans out there.
Yeah.
Discover the life-changing benefits of energy medicine with a new friend.
Jenny.
Hi,
Hi.
Jenny.
And
Oh,
he's the pyramid.
okay, and this is where you get your treatments.
Yes. You can have a look up here.
Yes. Wow, this is so cool.
Have a good look through. This
Okay.
is where the frequency comes from the iTaurus.
Oh,
All
wow.
the crystals, the vibration,
Wow.
frequency of sound.
Wow, Akuma, this could be a place that you want to visit when you come here. This is your thing.
Oh yes, you got to
Wow.
experience it.
Wow. Thank
Yes.
you.
It's amazing.
And it's a beautiful space.
Mm.
I can feel the energy in here. It's just a different feeling. Or I don't know if it's feeling.
The frequency as well. Oh, Nathan's the one that really knows the stuff. I'm the loon. And when this is vibrating, it's not on for me. I'll switch it on for you.
Nathan.
That's all nice, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, that's the frequency that's happening, yeah? You can change it up here.
Is that sound frequency or?
Yeah, sound, everything, yeah. Cosmic colour as well.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Of course.
so you can tell, yeah. I've actually bought a little one.
It's like, wow, you're kidding. How could you sell out in cans?
Just open up the top. Yeah. Up there. Oh, okay, perfect.
She makes all the weavings.
Wow, all the weavings. You're gifted. Very gifted. Wow. It looks like something you'd see in Ubud, Bali. It does, doesn't it?
Yeah,
And-
it's more relaxed. It's not really. Yeah,
Oh,
make do with what's around me.
oh wow. So beautiful.
How to avoid a $2,000 shop fitting in Bali.
Are you taking a picture of me taking a picture of you?
Yes.
And they make these amazing like little rooms, you know, they're so aesthetically pleasing.
It's just so.
I'm not as analytical as you. He said I missed the passion fruit. Of course, Mr. Fruit Hunter. Yes.
But she was too fast, you know, I turned around, she was gone. We come what we become.
Victoria, I found your closet. Victoria's closet. Oh wow, look at that bamboo.
Oh yeah, you just move it this way. You know what? Put it out there. I don't care. I'll deal with the consequences. Yeah. So this. I think there's a lot of people in that position in politics, isn't there? Really? Oh, of course.
Hi, how are you? I'm wonderful. I like your look. I like your little bats.
I love my little bat wings. I feel like I could fly today.
You're definitely a fruit bat. I can tell that for sure. Very fruity, very batty.
My mind. Have you met David?
I have met. Oh,
Isn't he adorable?
he
He's
is.
a bit of a snake, but he is a ladies' man after all.
She asked me. She asked me if I've seen. Tell him his name again, because
Your name's David. And
Yes.
He's got a real cock.
thank you for that. No wonder this reminded me of you, Robert. Oh, Zoltan, you'll love this too. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, this is a little bit of mini golf and a Japanese tea house right outside. Mini golf. Oh, this is nice. Wow. I love the decor. This is so cool. Look at this.
You missed out on the love heart.
Oh, it's more than a palace.
The love heart.
Oh, look at all the Barbies. It sort of reminds me of our space back home, but in a different kind of
Normally I make it creamier than that, but it didn't come out.
amazing place.
Out here.
Oh wow, it reminds me of our space at home that we created, but it's a little bit
It's like all the ideas.
wow. When she got this place, she said it went off the head.
Speaking of off the head, let me continue with that process. She's never off it. Well, I'm never on it really. I'm always off it.
Oh, this is a great space. I love it.
Rain stopped and then it started raining again. That wasn't rain, that was wind.
Yeah. This is one of the best shops I remember. I could have stayed here all day and looked. Another one of your shops. I think when you come and visit, Adam, this is going to be your hangout. Beware of the zombies.
It was fascinating. Very interesting man. I'm sure you're very interesting too. Yeah.
I just met a new friend here. She used to live in Melbourne and she fell in love with Kuranda. Can you tell me your story and your name and how you got here?
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, yes, I come up here for holiday 1985. And same year, I have moved up here. And because when I come in up here for holiday, I really loved this place. It's so much of natures and forest and everything. And I'm so happy I move up here so I can spend my old age in here.
Oh, and where is your family from? Japan
Yes.
or Okinawa, Japan?
Japan, yes.
And what city?
I am from right next to Hiroshima.
Oh, nice.
Very,
Nice.
very countryside in a bush country.
Wow.
Yes.
So this was very comfortable. She was sharing with us about, I have to show you, she has the most neatest outfit. Again, I keep thinking of my nephew, Adam, Akuma, and he likes to dress like you. And I told him this is his home too when he come visit.
Yes, please come up and see us. We all here. Yes, we are original Rainforest Market, so come and see us here.
Thank you for
Thank
sharing.
you.
Could you say your name again?
Sanae, S-A-N-A-E, Sanae.
Sanaya.
Yes,
Thank you. Arigato.
arigatou gozaimasu.
This was my favorite, just unexplainable place in Kuranda. There's so many unexplainable places here. And the guy that owns this name is Ken, and he's playing in the local pub here tonight. And if you live here in Coranda, I'm sure this would be one of the guys that you would want to go and listen to him for entertainment. Show me some of the art. Oh, nice. This reminds me of some of the places in Ubud, Bali, too. I know you're loving this if you're watching this, Robert. This is your kind of space. There's something here in Coranda for everyone.
I saw you through all that crowd then. We're so excited. Like, you actually come back with it. So, no, I love where you're going. It is I love the characters here. This is really cool.
Yeah. So instead of going to the beach every day, it would be around people every day.
I love how they painted the bricks here.
I got them on the photo.
Oh, of course George got them on the photo. It might be raining on the outside, but on the inside we are loving it.
Jury parrots.
Wow. What a life.
It is.
What a life.
Bless.
You have discovered the secret, you two.
Thank you.
This is living. This place is called the Rag and Bone at Coranda. Amazing. Come and visit them. Hair wraps. 25 long, 20 kids.
Dumpling cafe.
A dumpling cafe.
Yeah, Japanese.
We just met Mario. Mario has his raincoat on. He's a smart little pup. Yes. Sorry. Oh, I have it on video. Fairy George.
Have a very wonderful day.
So guys, I've taken over the camera just for a little. We have a Saviour's Church here, and the reason we're here is not for Jesus. We're here for Carambola. We're here for the Carambola, guys. So we have a lime tree, orange tree. Then we had these 3 trees here, and I forget what they are. Yep, grapefruit. Oh, this is a Suriname cherry. These 3. And then we have a star apple. Kaimito. It's huge. Yeah. Okay, Kim.
This is ready till July.
Now these are not ready till late winter. Oh, I see the fruit. I see the star fruit. They're green. Can you grab your bag?
Yeah. Oh, I can see some too over here.
Yeah. So this is
So these will be ready.
this is a star fruit with a star apple combined, intertwined. How cool is that? But not much to see yet as far as fruit is concerned. And right at the bottom down there, there's a jackfruit. Let's go and have a quick look. Yeah, this is literally the smallest jackfruit you'll ever see. So they've only just started now in late autumn in Australia. April, May is when they kick off. Here's another one coming. Yeah, we usually come up here in July, and that's when you got big fat jackfruit hanging down to the ground on this tree. Yeah, so the canopy, the fruit canopies here, guys, they're all intertwined. You don't know which tree is which. It's like a cobweb of branches. But this is the jackfruit here, right in the middle. Skinny, little narrow tree.
Is that a lychee or right here?
So that was our stay, our short visit to Kuranda this afternoon and morning, and now we're heading back to the bus to return to Cairns, which is where we always stay. But we've got to get our fix, guys, of nature, not only glass, concrete and steel, right? That's not much of a holiday. So it's nice to see nature again in all its glory here at Kuranda. I see a starfruit coming, or a few of them actually. And look at this, guys. I got to spot a couple of Suriname cherry.
Which country is Suriname cherry from?
Suriname, South America. My Suriname cherry has not fruited in 8 years. So that's what I'm looking forward to when I come. And back to the 22nd century, downtown Kuranda.
Oh, and next time we come, we'll do this section, the section of Kuranda that's all the clothing and.
How'd you enjoy your stay here at Kuranda today, Kim?
It was wonderful.
Yeah.
We had a good time. We got nice and dewy.